npm start. Okay, so this page we have made, right? We have reached till here, and finally this table was coming. Then we have written nested array example. Here we need to add some more CSS so that this page will look more better. So go to the CSS file, index.css file, and in index.css file, we will add some CSS code. For field set, we need to add some CSS. That is margin 2%. Then width, let's keep somewhere 18% only. 20% will not work here because border we have to give. Display in line block. Next, after that, vertical align top. A border 3 pixel, solid orange color or any color, whatever the color you feel free. The field set will get organized in one line. 4 field set will appear. For legend also you can write some CSS. Give 3 pixel border only. It will match properly equal. That border you can change it to color also. Below Let's see how it looks. Not looking better. Orange whiteboard. And you will add a property called border radius. $5. Okay, so coming next under the legend, the color, keep a blue color and font size 25 pixel. Twenty-five will reduce to 23. Somehow is okay now. Something like this. Safe for everyone running on. Okay. So let me know in chat. Full set is organized. Anywhere we can create our own file also and we can write. And whichever the CSS is, we need to call under this file index.js. You can say it's calling index.css. Similar way, create our own CSS file and call here. Or maybe write the CSS under the app.css and call here. Anything is fine. Okay, working. Some homework was given. You tried? Hope everyone have tried that homework. Then we'll create the next component. Under the basic folder only, create a file. Gallery.js. Okay, before going to do anything in gallery component, go to your system and inside the public folder. Under the public folder, keep at least 4 or 5 photos. You can copy from the system anywhere. बैठे आते हैं, बात किया हमने उधर, ठीक है, उधर हमने बात किया है, कुछ अच्छा का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया है सर, बोला कि 1-2 दिन रुकिए बताते हैं क्या करेंगे। 2 दिन हो गए, कल हो गए, कुछ बताया नहीं, आज भी हो गए, कुछ नहीं कॉल आया, फिर हमको कॉल करना होगा। मैं तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली रूम चेंज कर रहा हूँ, हम फोन करते हैं एक बार थोड़ा देर। वही नहीं बता रहा है रीजन, मतलब कि कब इंटरव्यू है, तो मतलब कि बोला कि वेट करिए, हम 1-2 दिन में बताते हैं। वो बोल रहे हैं आउटसाइड, मतलब एक्सपीरियंस आ रहा है, नहीं हमको तो बोला कि रुकिए हम बताते हैं। अब क्या होता है ना, लोग इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं, फिर अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करते हैं, तो उसके बाद अगला को भी हायर करने से लोग इनकार कर देते हैं। स्टार्ट किया हम।
Recording stopped.
LG told anything? They are hiring from other place? I called them on Sunday night. They said like I'll update you on Monday what we have next plan. Now they have only okay. So, okay, now they have only 2 openings. Okay, so one they have hired from our place. After that, any other experience they have had? Okay. Akash. Called that fellow on Sunday. He said like Monday I'll update you. He didn't call me yesterday. Okay, then you will see. They have now experience opening or what it is? Oh, they're not hiring now. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine, then no problem. And when they are going to join that docs matrix, some company was there, Suchali. 12th. The company has given the time or she has taken the time? Okay, till 12 from. So they have selected only one person. Okay. 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 ये तो बोल रही है कि मैसेज किया कि अभी होल्ड पे हैं हम लोग. आपका रिज्यूम भी उधर हम लोगों ने भेज दिया है, फ्रेशर है. पेज डाल के भी नहीं जा सकते उधर. वो रेज्यूमे बनाया हुआ है, पेज साथ में भी पेज और दो सर्वे बनाए हुए हैं. ऑलरेडी वो जा चुका है. अभी सब प्रिपरेशन तो ऐसी है, अगर अभी सामने ही नहीं है प्री मिले तो हो जाए सब. अभी भी इंटरव्यू हो जाएगा, वेट करेंगे, कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन तो है नहीं. ऑफलाइन जो इंटरव्यू आता है दीजिए. अभी रुकना है कि घर जाना है? मैं तो मेरी आईआईसी की 31 तारीख के स्पेशल फ्लाइट. हाँ, इसका फायदा नहीं हुआ अभी सर. है चांसेस है उसके. ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि मैसेज किया है कि वी हैव स्टॉप हायरिंग नाउ. अभी शायद हायर नहीं करेंगे. हाँ, फोटो भेजिए हमको. क्या कि will be good morning any update? Yes, it will be on hold. We got 4 years experience of closing with that profile. Thank you for update. We'll reach out to you for some more pressure requirement. So अंदर कंपनी में बहुत सारे पॉलिटिक्स भी होते हैं ना. जिधर से एचआर को पैसा मिलेगा उधर ही घूम जाएगा. जिधर से पैसे एचआर को मिलेगा उधर ही घूम जाएगा. चलिए होता है. जो कंसल्टेंसी वाला पैसा खिलाएगा उधर चला जाएगा. ठीक है, देखेंगे, वेट करेंगे. 2 मिनट आते हैं.
Recording in progress.
बैठिए, 2 मिनट हम आते हैं. Okay, so you kept the photo in public folder. Now come to your component. Const my gallery. Export default my gallery. Export equal to my gallery. Return a division class name container h1 React image gallery. Create array here. Let image list comma update list. Use state square bracket array image list.
So we can also do RAX.
That is the oldest method, not even oldest. देखो आप ब्रदर को पता चलेगा. Okay, अभी we have not used anywhere, no use state, right? So I will not write this line. Create a direct array and inside that store some value, not as a state variable, direct variable. Let image list. Okay, what is the file name we have in public folder? 1, 2, 3, 4. Extension is JPG. We need to keep the same here. 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4.jpg. Then come down below, write a map function, image list dot map. img name comma index. img name comma index. Return img src img src image name p equal to index Next, after that, write a class name, mypic. So for mypic, we can write some CSS and control the width of image. By default, img is pointing to the public folder only. Now we can see list of image will come, but it will be as a original image. Okay, we have to add in routing also. To complete this code, then we'll come to the routing part. Call this file in the routing and check once images are loading.
This what the image file images. So this 1.22. Is it equal as
Is the element of the array. वो array है ना पूरा.
so also create single dimension.
कैसे करें element का array. array यहाँ पर string डालो number डालो. String है but it is a part of the element. It is an array.
So it is to be a string language.
Routing identity.
And this for creation. Actually, we are in some mind is okay. Sorry, app one tools. I think I've got to looking at was the novels. You have with airline business inside of after Facebook services. You also can be your folder name, file name, and component names will check as for high priorities. And the basic, you want to have a small, given capital, basic folder, those devotees. You have changed that one, yes. So basically, this one basis, actually, folder names are not changing, you know. File is, file. Please start. This one is the animal. Oh, now we have to say the products. Your background. Yeah, actually, I'm not married. I need to remember the down one. You are in that. Okay. Right in there. Just tell me to add the value. And more there actually, this starting class. This is the starting one actually. In the first class, we have first one. Technical is the third class because the first class just rely on this one development. First class, there's no such technical. Yeah, folder structure and developer guidance also. Technical is this third class. And routing was the biggest class. Last class, that's all. Last service second class. I was late on that one. That's complex science is not to be there is nothing rocket science in that. It's going to install the real order on this. And the way in the approach, the way you will get the pattern, you just need to import and router, routes, rule, and rule from your router. First, you can install that. Install it and you install it. After you have to import the same way you should give add that way you have to just put the hands out the and everything I becomes in matter of this parent and how to do it. Yeah, the parent basically so giving your parent and take process the routing only. Because what routing is the parent inside this the link is basically an arch. Basically a path. This one. If this access to this, then the element is this is the end. Very important. This path will come. Move this path and back to this path, exact path. Then this element will be removed. And I don't think they want we have to give this out. We can also give this and as well as that is this main part of this create the parts only it cannot take it to the location, it cannot create the target. It creates the parts only. Normalized yeah. This one is to create the target. So this is if this matches with this, then this target will be important or and it will better that one. When this just gets to create a path, that's it. We can go on, we can just save this routes part. Just select on routes. Upper one. Here's the result. You see, the path will be created in lane. Okay. When you there's no action. No, it just the path is created. Then you can give it. Now we are targeting does this path match with this one? Does this path match with this is visual effect. You can create it, but what you created must be here. Yeah, when this one match, this component or this component, this is a report. He created the path, okay. Then you created the target, then you set the condition in the last part, then you create the path here, right? Then you created the target. Here's the condition. This path is so that is better. That's not. That is not check that one. I thought it was like very different part. No, it's just 20 minutes. And this is the condition path equals. It's a digital match. You see where once you set the path, you set the path, then you set the condition. Is this. This is the path is the exact path is this. And when you perfect create a link property. To this you create a hyperlink. You remember in HTML inside the data the instead of anchor in the end, we use two.
Okay.
So creating this as a hyperlink. To make this as a hyperlink. So when you make this as a hyperlink, and this hyperlink should take us to some page,
Yes.
some component.
Yes.
So which component it should take? This hyperlink. If this hyperlink part matches with this, then render this one.
If this hyperlink matches with this,
Yeah,
then render is a this component. That's it.
nothing.
Relatively, like relative is when I have told.
Yeah,
I have example
so once you get the logic, part, then it's, you just need to know the logic.
Now, if I have to create gallery,
Yeah, same like you have to create you can create a first create a component of gallery. Then you have the component to be export ready is there, and that component you have. Then the same way you create a path here, so you first import the component to add. You see what I'm doing? This is the main part of this. Components of the function. So this is part of it. All the components which we are rendering will go into one axis. In all the components, we will repeat here. And we give the links here. This page is mainly used to this page interact with the index storage, which interact with the index storage, and this page is C value visual. So whatever components we need to import this here. So this we need to import the gallery here. We need to import the batch to this directory. You can take a we need to import this component here. Then create the path instead of whatever.
so this is hypertext will be the index and yes, status node route
No,
documents.
no.
There is a root element. The root element is active. Then the hypertext or index or basic interact active. ये root
Current document का root find करता है वो public और HTML में लिखा हुआ है index का ये है root के ID है ना root जब find हो गया तो root ले लिया root जब उसको मिल जाएगा तो क्या करेगा root के अंदर find करेगा और इतना आपने स्ट्रिंग को आप बताओ Render is the name of function that used to print the output. A render function. Okay, so added in the routing. All are silent today. Anyone added in the routing? So, this one automatically points to the public folder. Dot slash basic slash gallery. See opportunity in luck equal to what? Luck equal to that's only asking. Luck equal to what? Luck equal to what? Luck will support like this. So this is the luck. एक महीने को ज्यादा राउंड नहीं ले एक राउंड एक महीने से एक ही राउंड में सिलेक्ट करें यार एक महीने से इनका जो स्पेलिंग करा हां वही के रिटर्न में बस then there will be requirement in the company no they need manpower with the skill so that time there will not be 100 rounds. But once the company is not in the need,
If you're ready to give 100 round also, they will say, sorry, why I need to take your interview? I don't have requirement. Okay. That is the only condition. There is a lot of people who are 100 times better than Suchali. But the problem is whoever will present at location, they only will face the interview. If you are not present at the location, how the company will come to know your knowledge? Okay. So the person who got shortlisted, it's not like she has a lot of very high level. She is from the this one, around this aviation, air hostess background. So flight में काम हम करते थे. After 3-4 years, she left that and then learn here. Last 4-5 months, she has interview here, there, and then finally got. Matter is of chance whenever it come. If you are present there, then only you can pick the chance. Correct. If the chance will come, if you are not available there, what will happen? They have not gone, no? Right? How they'll get the job? The person who came just now, sometime before, when HR called from the company, they said like, today is a Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, day after tomorrow is a Monday. We have 4-5 requirements. Whoever are the best people are there, ask them to come here. We will close everything in one day. Don't send a lot of people. Send only selected people. Means that day the company was in the need. Correct? The people who are really able to get the job and who are able to perform, leave the counselor and HR. I call them 10 plus time from my phone. While going to my work in auto, I call them 10 plus time. Interview is on Monday. If you are out of India, also you can come within 3 days. Okay. If you come there, opportunity is waiting for you. I have convinced everything, right? 10 plus time I have called to one person. They were not agree to come the Monday on Monday. When I called Monday afternoon. Next day was, Friday afternoon I called. Next day was Saturday. Next day was Sunday. Monday 11 o'clock was the interview. After 11. It was under our control. We can change 2 o'clock also. But the person should be ready to reach on Monday. But the person is refused to come on Monday. Company cannot wait for you. Once the opportunity is gone, okay. They had whoever went from here, they selected, and they selected other people also. Now position is closed. Later you come by flight also after spending 1 lakh rupees. What is the meaning?
Actually, company does not need it. We need to come.
Need to come on time, right? That is the meaning. Okay.
Another one should be done.
दस बार हमने कॉल किया था. यस सर, 10 बार हमने कॉल किया था. ठीक है, बाद में 30,000 लगा कर फ्लाइट से आए 3 दिन के बाद. तो क्या फायदा 30,000 लगा के आना? 9 महीने. सॉरी. Check now. Photo is coming. That's what I was saying. People say you are lucky. How is lucky here? He has maintained his timeline. He has put effort on time. He was ready before time. Once you combine all together, then it convert into opportunity and luck. You have not put effort, then also luck will not come. You are not available on time, then also luck will not come. Correct? You are ready, but luck will not come. Sorry, opportunity will not come. Then also luck will not happen. Okay, so all three will combine. Then okay. So company is ready means one opportunity came. Now you convert into luck. Correct? No? Go there, do something. कितना लोगों को फोन पे कि आगे इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर लो, आगे इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर लो. हम तो ये भी सोच रहे थे कि अगर 2-3 हजार के फ्लाइट से आगे इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर ले, बाद में सैलरी आए तो हमको दे देना, हम ही बुक कर देते हैं फ्लाइट. लेकिन आदमी आने के लिए तैयार हो तब तो. Okay, चलिए, let's go then. So your image is coming. What is the class of the image? My pick is the name of the class, right? Let's go there. In index.css file, you write here, I pick. Try arranging only 4 photos in one line. Margin should be 2%. Width should be 20.5%. Okay, border radius only 5%, 5 pixel. After that, let's limit height also 300 pixel. So in one line, how many photo will come? 4 photo will come. 20.5% I have given, 0.5% I have reserved for the default space of image. Because in image by default there will be a space of some pixel, 2 pixel I guess. Okay, now to maintain the 2 pixel, we are given some. Let's check now. Only profile. Digital marketing, like what salary we expect? What salary we expect? Give some time. Okay, so image are coming. Next, after this, create another component. PNG files. You add here PNG in the array. Where under the gallery where I have written JPG, what is the extension of your image? PNG. Put PNG. If image you have with the PNG, you can put the PNG there. Okay. Let's come next one. We have something called component reusability. In React, we have something called component reusability. React definition itself starts from component reusability. So what is that reusability? We'll create a component and we'll see that. We'll create the component and we'll see what is the component reusability.
So it is in these elements must have an alt
All need that. That is for the digital marketing purpose. If you want to write here, write ALT. That is called alternate. If image is not found, what it will come? Then you can write here no image. Okay, that is called ALT, alternate. ALT for alternate. If image not found in the current directory where you are loading it, then what you want to display to customer? That come under the ALT, alternate option. If image is not available in location, it will display no image. Next, moving on, come to the basic folder and create one component called item. Item.js and one more component called item details.js. Item.js as well as item details.js. So item details.js file first will complete, then we'll come to the item.js. Item.js will become as a parent file and item details will become as a child file. Okay, we will come to know 3-4 things together. Nested component meaning is what? Component reusability meaning is what? Props meaning is what? Parent component and child component meaning is what? Okay. In one example, we will create. So let's write here const details. Export default details. Okay, now right inside for the return field set. Return field set. Under the field set you write legend. Under the legend you write for Apple. In a paragraph, $300. Next paragraph, stock. Yes. Quantity. Ten. Details. Something I wrote in a paragraph. Below, let me write one E tag. Read more.
The zero apply. The zero apply.
Where?
And this is
Apple.
very good apply.
Yeah. This is good for very good. This is very good apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. Something. Okay. So return the details component. We have to jump to the item. Now come to the item component. In item component, import details from item details.js file. Import details from item. Next, const my item return section tag or division, anything is okay. Class name container. H1 component reuse. With the props. For example, component reuse with the props example.
So this is not necessary to write import React from here to React.js.
It is written already in app.js file, index.js file. It is written already.
Okay.
If it is not written here, then you have to write in all the component. Already written, then why to import again? Same library is nominating to import 2 times. Already imported because all are going there only. Where? Under the index. So main library already exists under the index. In YouTube, there's so many videos are there. In that, people import the React in all the components. Okay, if you watch some video in YouTube, you will find people import the React in all the component. But question is, if already React is imported in one main parent file, then it is not necessary to call under the child file. In fact, it will not give any error. But again, why to give double burden to the system? Why you call the same thing two times? Already it's called then. Yes, if in index.js file you have not called, then you can call in all the component, individual component. But already called under the master file itself, no need to call under the child file.
We have to reusable components.
But no. Reusable component meaning is what we are creating. What we created here, we created a details component. A details component we are going to use 100 times inside the item.js. Okay, so that will be reusable. But when you call the library and say like it is reusable, and because of that I'm calling 10 times same thing, that meaning you are wearing the same color shirt 3 times. Understood? No? Same color shirt you wear 3 times. Okay, already you are wearing one, then what is the need to wear one more same? If already you are wearing two, then what is the need to call one more? Yes. Uncomfortable will happen. How the system will say in difficulties? System will say that difficulties in performance testing. Okay, system will say that difficulties in performance testing. Saying like same thing you are calling 3 times. It was supposed to take 3 seconds, it is taking 9 seconds to go. Now we reduce the burden, why it is happening this much. Okay, so there is called as a include once, require and require once. Okay, if you only include, again you include, it will throw the error. Okay, okay, not include, require once. If you call the require once, include and require both are for the same purpose. But we say the require once means import only one time. If you call one more time, if you say require once, or maybe import or require anything, it will say like limit is added. Require how many times? Only one time. So means library, you come to my page only how many times? Only one time. Okay, if by mistake same library is getting called again and again, then library will say you have asked to come only one time. Why you are calling 3 times? Understood? So we have something, this kind of logic in the backend language. If already one line you have written, why you are repeating 3 lines? Same line, why you are repeating 3 times? So React is already imported under the index.js file, no need to import in any of the child. Okay, if you import, then the button will be double, simple. Parent is also calling the same library and child is also calling the same library. If already parent has called, then what is the need to call the child? Child can take from parent, no? That will become a what? Performance, better performance. Page loading will be sorry.
और जो भी हम बुक्स कॉल करेंगे वो इंडेक्स पर जैसे एक बार दे दो सारे बुक्स तो उसको फिर कभी वॉल्यूम में दिया
See, for example, I'll tell you all the library, all the books you give to the index. Okay. How you think like that? Do you think in every page all the functionalities are required?
No.
No. In every page all functionalities are required? Not required. No? Then why you are calling all the functionality?
Yes.
If in every page all functionality is not required, then why to call all functionality every time? Okay, so call only those functionality that is required. Okay, like suppose in login page, you need only login functionality. Why you are calling register related packages? In home page, some functionality is required. Why you are calling that in the login.html file? That becomes a what? Little common sense. When I don't need something, why I will carry? Understood, no? Okay, come next. those all you will come to know automatically once you work on the project, and sometime during the meeting, no, your manager will call you and they'll start insulting in front of the people. Then you will realize like why I did this one. Okay. So yeah. So we wrote this one. Now see, let's come to the app.js file. In app.js file, we are not going to call this details component. We are going to call in app.js file my item. My item we are going to call under the. Just copy this and come to the app.js file. Okay, import here my item. Coming down, create a component, create a link, give the link called props. PROPS props. Also I'll give called props only. Or shall I give something else? Let's give called item. Text you can give called props. Text we can give called props. Come down, create a link also. Given here call my item. Now check now your page should load. Props. Reuse the prop. Now come to the item component file, and after the H1 call the details component. After the H1 call the details component. Okay, and call again details component. You can call 3-4 times. See what is the condition. How many times? 4-5 times. Same output will appear as the number of time you call it. So hope your page is loading. Item look like this. Details component we have written only one time and we are calling so many times. Details component you have written only one time and you are calling total 4-5 times. Working for everyone. Now next we have to see the props. What is the meaning of props? Because everywhere you can see the same output. Apple, we want to change it dynamic. So in this we have to pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. How that will be? Let's go here. What are the first? Name, price, quantity, and stock and details. Right here a property call iname equal to iname for item name we made mango next property price second property QTY next property something about same way you can add for at least 2 products and value will be different remaining you can know now apple quantity there you go. Let it be 2 components and let us see how to capture the value. Okay, so we have written 2 times is coming, but this has to be dynamic. Now see, in details component, we are sending one property called iname, price, PY, stock, as well as about. So this 5 input we have to receive in that component, details component. Now let me guide you how to receive that. Okay. In details component, receive a parameter called info. It can be any variable, but just I keep as info. So how many values you are sending from there? All the values will capture under this variable. What is it? Info. In the form of object. So you can write here info.iname. Info.iname. Similar way, instead of carrying info.price. Info.price. Stock is info.stock. Next we have PPY. Info.PPY. Next we have we can write simply here info.about. Okay, the component is same, but output will be different. How many property we are getting from the parent component? What is that? ID, price, PPY, then stock, then available, plus or no. Then I check the browser, I can see both the values are different. One place is another place. Let's write it and sequence. That is already changed. Check this file is set, details file. And then file is set. I file. Replace the variables. Change anything. Details file. We have essentially the ID for our name. In that, all the parameters will come from that component. If we capture that is parameter, which parameter? Input parameter. So under the input parameter, we are sending the file for the iname, price, PPY, stock, and balance. So those all the properties will get captured under one variable. That is called this info. So if you write input dot all the property what we are thinking of that, then it will not contact the line. Change now. It is an object where it has multiple properties. So you can say whatever property we are passing, these properties are not very different. I, size, UTI, not very different. It is user. And in that I pass multiple values. And then the list of property one on the other. This is component. Capture the the parameter is going to be an object. And it has this property of I name, price, then a stock, UTI, and that. Okay. We will create some more. Okay.
Recording stopped.